In this very quick video guide, we're going to talk about Adobe Character Animator, which is a software that can be used to animate 2D characters and flats like cartoons, like characters using the camera, using your voice directly, and using your movements. Now we have two main versions at the moment. One is a starter version and one is the pro version, which you can try with using a free trial. Now I just want to show you quickly how it works, and then you can move on if you want to the pro version. And so other information are right here. So if you want to use the starter, you can click on start for free. You can search for the software just on Google, or you can open up also directly in the Creative Cloud, because also you're going to be prompted into the Creative Cloud to download it and install it just as usual from the dashboard in Creative Cloud. You can search it, and this is already opened up. So let me just move this down and show you quickly. So just look for Character Animator into your Creative Cloud. Of course, you need to have an account, an Adobe account, and there you go. You find it there, and usually it's also down here somewhere. So if you don't find it, just search it. And once you download it, install it, and it's ready in Creative Cloud, you can just open it up. And this is the welcome screen at the moment. So you can see we have a whole set of characters that we can use. You can also create your own import puppets using other graphic design and vector graphics. I'm gonna go for this one here. I talk about creating characters in another video, and so you can see it's moving the mouth and following what I'm saying. So um, in the top right here, I just hide the camera, but you will see a camera with your face, and that's gonna just track your movements of the face and also the movements of the body. So you can just, move around like this, and it's gonna track it, and it's gonna put it in the character. Now, depending on the character, you can see I'm kind of moving my neck and my head, and it's showing up there. So depending on the character, you can do different things. Now, when you're ready, you can record or import. You can import an audio with a recorded speech, or you can just record live your talking and movement. And when you finish, you just stop the recording, and you're gonna have this track, which is gonna show you the audio. So you can also cut, trim, you can define an in point and out point. You can press play and run a preview, and that's gonna show you back from the beginning everything that you recorded. Now you can also apply some expressions and some kind of predefined movements right there. So you can click and drag it in the timeline. So at that point, it's gonna like put out a sword in this case. But you can, do however you want. So there you can switch from the starter to the pro, which contains many features. And this is kind of a bare bone, just to show you the interface mainly on how this is working. And then on the top right, you also have the quick export. So you can export this as an MP4, and perhaps you can use Premiere Pro to do a montage and continue the editing, or you can import it into After Effects and apply more effects and so on. So you can use all the Adobe applications together with this. And also you have the menus here, so you can start a new project. You can open an existing project, import, export, etc., etc. But as you can see, all the other features here are grayed out because we cannot use them with the starter version. But I think that's enough to get you the idea of what is going on here. Now you can also change the format. You can make it more wide, you can make it square, and you can also change the background. And again, these are like predefined backgrounds, or you can click on the plus button, you can add more. You can just add a green screen and then remove it in, again, Premiere Pro or After Effects with keying. And that's pretty much it. So if you enjoy this, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated for more videos like this about character design, character animation, etc. And also please support us by joining the channel as a supporter. This will help us to create more videos. And go and check our other courses in Adobe and other videos that we already have in the channel. Thanks. See you in the next.